Is the crypto bull market over? Was $109,000 the top for Bitcoin this cycle? There are some signs supporting this idea. So in this video we will go through all of the signs so that everybody can make their own decision. Let's start with Google Trends. Google Trends has proven to be one of the best signals for top in the crypto market. Google Trends basically shows you the interest of people, what they are searching on Google, right? So what was the hot topic in the 2017 crypto bull market? The ICOs, right? So if we now look at the search for ICOs, you will see that the top right here, when basically this hit 100, it was in January 2018. Guess when the top of the bull market was? December 2017, January 2018. What was the hot thing in the 2021 bull market? Well, in the 2021 bull market, all of the altcoins were going up, so crypto in general was the search term at the time. And check out the top right here. The interest hit 100 in May 2021. Guess when the bull market ended? May 2021. Now let me ask you this, what is the hot thing in this bull market? I'm pretty sure that most of you guys already know the answer. And the answer is meme coins. Meme coins are the hot thing right now, and check this out. The interest just hit 100 in January 2025. So is this marking the end of the bull market? Well, time will tell. The next thing that I want to talk about is the President of the United States launching a meme coin. This also happened in January 2025, right? On January 19, it was the top right here for this meme coin, $78, and then we all know what happened. Now, some people might say here, okay, but we haven't seen an altcoin season, so it's impossible for this to be the end of the bull market. To you guys, I want to show this thing right here. This shows you the number of crypto tokens. So if we go back to January 2018, you guys can see that there were 17,000 crypto tokens at the time, right? 17,000. If we go to May 2021, there were 783,000 tokens. And if we check now, January 2025, there are 37 million crypto tokens. Why am I showing you this? I'm showing you this in order for you guys to understand that an altcoin season like the altcoin season in 2017, 2018, there's never gonna be an altcoin season like this, simply because at the time there were like 14,000 tokens, now there are 37 million tokens, right? So it's just impossible for all the tokens to pump just like they did back in 2017, 2018. So 2017, 2018 was the best altcoin season, 2021 it was a decent alt season, and now 2025 it's a terrible alt season simply because there are so many coins, 37 million tokens and coins. Moving on to the next points which I want to make, and these are possible double tops on the S&P index and on gold as well. At this point it's definitely too early to say that this is a double top, right? We have to actually wait and see what's gonna happen, right? Because this might as well break to the upside, but as of now it definitely looks like it might be forming a double top right here, and we might get a correction. On gold it's a similar thing. Gold actually broke above this level and made a high. However, if when the market opens today we get a little bit of a dump, this might end up being a fake out and gold might go down too. So I will definitely keep an eye on what's going on with the S&P index and the gold as well. By the way, something else that I want to show you, just look at this, guys. Look at this uptrend right here. So first it's steady, then the uptrend is getting stronger and stronger and stronger. Just look at the slope of this waves, right? They are getting more and more vertical. At this point right now it's almost like it's just going straight up, and the thing is that it's impossible for this to continue forever, right? This thing has to correct. And if we check what Uncle Warren Buffett is doing, well, guess what? He's sitting on 325 billion cash. Why is he sitting on cash? If he expects that this thing will continue, everything will just continue going up, is he really gonna be sitting on cash, right? Or is he gonna be buying stuff? And by the way, that's not some small amounts, it's 325 billion, not million, $325 billion. So he definitely expects that eventually there will be lots of things on sale and he's ready to take advantage of it. The next thing I want to show you is Michael Saylor being on the cover of Forbes. This is not a very good sign. Why? Well, because in the past this was a sign for the top Right, so back in 2021, guess who was on the cover of Forbes and when? Right, almost at the exact top. In 2017, this is who was at the cover of Forbes, and it was also near the top. So is history going to repeat again? Time will tell. If you are struggling to make money in trading, we have a free workshop where I'm gonna share with you guys how I personally make money. So all you gotta do is go to our website, satsincome.com. There is also gonna be the link in the description and in the pinned comment. So once on our website, just click on free course and you will land on this page where just by giving your name and your email address, you can get access to this 100% free online workshop where you can learn how to automate your trading with crypto bots and generate a consistent income. I know that many of you are struggling to generate a consistent income. You are making money for a little bit, then you are using it all, or you are just losing and you are not making anything. This workshop is definitely for you guys. Just go ahead, register, and I'll see you on the other side.